Ever thought of reshaping your life by altering your thoughts? Psycho-Cybernetics by Maxwell Maltz is a beacon in this quest. It unveils how your self-perception can shape your destiny, bridging the gap between dreams and reality for success and fulfillment. Maltz, a renowned plastic surgeon, observed a curious pattern. Altering a person's appearance didn't always lead to an internal transformation. This led to his groundbreaking insight. It's our self-image, the mental blueprint we hold of ourselves that truly shapes our lives. Unveiled in Psycho-Cybernetics is our inner success mechanism, akin to an autopilot guiding us. By molding our thoughts positively and envisioning success, we can smoothly steer through life's challenges and reach our desired goals with greater ease. Maltz emphasizes how past failures and negative feedback often create mental barriers that limit potential. He guides readers to break free from these constraints by reprogramming their subconscious mind, fostering a positive self-image that embraces possibility and growth. When Psycho-Cybernetics was first published in the 1960s, it arrived at a time of great transformation. Society was beginning to explore the power of self-help and personal growth. Maltz's ideas, blending psychology with goal-setting and self-reflection, resonated with a generation eager for change and self-improvement. His work not only contributed to the self-help movement, but also paved the way for future explorations into the power of mindset and visualization. Harnessing the power of visualization, Psycho-Cybernetics teaches us that picturing success can dramatically improve performance. By vividly imagining achieving our goals, we condition our minds for real-world success, turning aspirations into tangible outcomes. Transformation is at the heart of Psycho-Cybernetics. It encourages embracing change as a natural part of growth. By shedding limiting beliefs, we open ourselves to new opportunities and personal evolution. Embracing failure as a stepping stone to success is a key message in Psycho-Cybernetics. Each setback teaches resilience and offers lessons, guiding us closer to our personal summits of achievement. The journey to self-improvement in Psycho-Cybernetics isn't just about big changes. It's also about the small, consistent adjustments. These tweaks in our thoughts and behaviors create a positive feedback loop, leading to greater life satisfaction and success. In summary, Psycho-Cybernetics offers transformative insights. 1. Cultivate a positive self-image to guide life's trajectory. 2. Use visualization as a tool for success. 3. Learn and grow from failures. These principles empower personal and professional growth. Maxwell Maltz's Psycho-Cybernetics is more than a book. It's a blueprint for a fulfilling life. By redefining our self-image and embracing the power of positive thinking, we unlock the door to limitless potential.